Suffolk County Music Service presents The Sky, a how-to-play guide for WCET students.
Hello everyone and welcome back to your WCET instrumental lessons. Today we're going to teach you how to play The Sky by Sarah Watts. Don't get your instrument out yet, we're going to listen first. And after that we're going to learn some of the patterns in the music and then we'll get down to some playing. Remember, you can stop and take a break at any time. We have lots of short learning bites for you, so you can even do this over several days and repeat bits as you practice them and get better. See you later.
Before you play, we're going to ask you to be a musical detective. Listen to the music, think about it, and write down what you think. Pause the video at the end of the music and give yourself some thinking time. So what are we going to be thinking about? First, are there any repeated sections in the music? Things that we remember, things that have happened twice in a row. What happens in the middle? Is it different to the music at the beginning? And what's the music like at the end? Next, we're going to think about the rhythm. Are all the notes the same length, or are some longer than others? Are there any silences, rests, where the instrument doesn't play? Listen to The Sky by Sarah Watts, and remember, pause the video at the end of the music. Pause the video now and write down what you think. If you want to listen to it again, you can go back and do that too. Why not tell somebody at home what you found out and see what they think? So what have you found out? If you're listening really carefully, you might have found that this piece has 3 sections. The structure, or how it's built, the form. The music at the end is the same melody as the music at the beginning. The music in the middle is different. We call this structure by a special name, ternary form. The piece uses different rhythms to make the music interesting. It has long notes, shorter notes and silences, and it also has something to shout out. Did you spot that in the introduction? Well done. Now let's learn about the notes which make up the rhythms. Now let's look at the notes we're going to be playing. We're going to be playing crotchets worth 1 beat, minims worth 2 beats, quavers worth half a beat each, and they usually come in pairs, and semi-breves, which are worth 4 beats. They are not coloured in, they have no tails. So let's start our click track. We're going to clap along with the pulse. The word is walk. Clap along with me. Walk, 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 walk. Well done. Now we're going to do minims. Minims are worth 2 beats and the word is sway. Here we go. Sway, 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 sway. Fantastic. Let's have a go at quavers. Word is running. Here we go. Running, 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 running. Good. Now let's have a go at semi-breves. Sleep, eep, sleep, eep, sleep, eep, sleep, eep. I wonder if we can put those together. If we've got the count going on in our head, we're going to do some copy-back patterns. Here we go, my turn first. Walk, walk, sway, a. Walk, walk, sway, a. Sway, a. Walk, walk, sway, a. Walk, walk. Running, 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 running. Running, 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 running. Sleep, eep, sleep, eep. Well done. Now we're going to use the notes that we know to learn the rhythm patterns from the sky. We're going to concentrate on sections A and C, the first and the last bits. We'll leave the middle bit till later. First time I do it, I'd like you to listen. And then after that, you can join in with me. I'll tell you when to stop. Here we go. Time to listen. Sway, walk, walk, sway, 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 walk, walk, sway. Rest, 2. Walk, 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 walk. Running, rest, 2. Sleep, 2, 3, 4. Running, running. Here we go. Sway, walk, walk, sway, 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 walk, walk, sway. Rest, 2. Walk, 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 walk. Running, rest, 2. Sleep, 2, 3, 4. Running, running. Let's do it again. Sway, walk, walk, sway, 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 walk, walk, sway. Rest, 2. Walk, 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 walk. Running, rest, 2. Sleep, 2, 3, 4. Running, running. Well done. I think that's enough of that for today. So let's go to the next slide. Well done. Now it's time to get your instrument out and warm up. Or you can stop and then play another day. It's entirely up to you.
How to play D. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. How to play G. Count 1, 2, 3. How to play A. Find the G string, 1, 2, 3, and press down the 2nd fret just next to the metal. Part A, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Fantastic! Keep practicing section A this week. Play it slowly at first and then get faster as you find it easier. Next time we'll add sections B and C and then we'll play the whole piece through.